Yeah, pretend like you're actually busy
Intense.
while you do stuff here.
Intense.
All right.
We're making some fame here.
And what do you have going on over here?
Birdman.
Oh, well, he's upside down. I wonder if I turn my camera
Here, I
around.
can help you.
Oh, well, see, I turned my camera around. Now you're gonna. In the clearing bath there. Look at this. And then we come over here, and this is our second clearing bath. So we've got that. We've got this coming over here. Oh, no, I'm getting a reflection. Look at these. Second day of class. Everybody's killing it. This is awesome. We also have all these over here hanging up. Check this out. Day 2, we got 6 students, and every single one of them is just nailing print after print. Look at that. It's amazing.